Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Did you know that the Mac OS App Switcher can be a game changer for your workflow? In this quick guide, we will show you how to master the App Switcher and boost your efficiency. So, let us begin. Step number 1. Activate the App Switcher. To access the App Switcher, use the keyboard shortcut Command plus Tab, hold down the Command key while pressing Tab. Step number 2. Navigate the App Switcher. The App Switcher displays icons of all currently running apps on your Mac. While holding Command, you can cycle through these apps by pressing Tab. Step number 3. Switch between apps. To switch between apps, release the Command key when your desired app is highlighted. The active app will come to the forefront. Step number 4. Explore active app windows. Need to manage multiple windows within an app? With an app highlighted, press up the arrow key to invoke Expose. This displays all open windows for that app. Step number 5. Hide or quit apps. To tidy up your workspace, press H to hide the highlighted app. And if you want to quit an app, press Q. It is quick and efficient. Mastering the Mac OS App Switcher with Command plus Tab can significantly enhance your productivity and workflow efficiency. So, next time you are juggling multiple apps and tasks on your Mac, remember this powerful tool. It is your shortcut to seamless multitasking. If you found this video helpful and want more informative content like this, please make sure to subscribe to our channel to stay updated. We hope this guide has been significantly helpful to you. Thank you for watching, and we will see you in our next video.